So what, you want to teach me Shona? Yeah, I'm going to teach you Shona. Easy. I can learn Shona. It's not as easy as you think. How hard can it be? Teach me some words. Alright. Okay, first word. First sound. Say ja. Ja. No. Ja. Ja. No. Ja. Yeah, ja. That's what I'm saying. I'm saying ja. There's a difference. Ja. 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 Wow. I'm doing what you're doing. Okay. Let's try something. Try something different. Try. Yeah. Say che. Che. No. Che. That's what I'm saying. I'm saying che. No, look at my mouth. You're not doing what I'm asking you to do. Look at my mouth. Che. 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 Let's make it into a word. Alright, I'll put it into a word. Cherendende. Oh. Cherendende. Okay. Cherendende. No. Cherendende. 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 Yeah. That's what I said. Mucherendende. Say mucherendende. Oh my god. Cherendende. Oh god. That's nowhere near what I'm saying. I give up. You can't speak Shona.